Hey guys, this is evenlimai and welcome back to my channel, and this video is about unboxing my iMac. So, let's go! And yes, today I will show you mag-unbox tayo ng ating iMac. I got my iMac last like 2 months ago or 1 month ago. Ang tagal ko na siyang nakuha pero ay nabili, pero I have decided to open it here sa eto nga, as you can see, sa bagong bagong venue natin. Fortunately, dito na tayo sa bagong bahay natin. Mansion na natin. And I set up my things already here in my little office. But this room is supposed to be the baby room, kung tawagin ni Mike. But if baby will come, why not? Pero for now, yeah, of course, this is an office for now. Ayun nga, so I got my iMac last few months ago. And dito ko lang siya in-open kasi I want to show to you guys and I want to share it with you and a brief knowledge about the specification of the iMac that I'm getting. Hindi ako expert sa iMacs, medyo sa Apple, pero I have a little knowledge kung anong niya, mga specs niya. So this is it, and ito yung iMac natin. Ito yung bagong iMac, bagong labas na iMac. Ouch! Patong natin dito. And then, so brief highlights of this iMac is 24 iMac with 4.5 Retina display with 8 GB RAM and to 525 GB. And this one comes with rainbow color. There's blue, green, yellow, red, purple, and silver. So I get the silver kasi wala lang talaga silang stock ng iba't ibang kulay. Pero unfortunately, I don't like the color ones. So ang difference nito at ng 27 inches yung dati is no big difference. Because yung 27 kasi malaki yung frame niya sa gilid. But this one is yung buong ano talaga niya, yung buong screen niya is 24 na. So yung 27 is 24 siya sa gitna, 25, 26 something, and 25, and then 2 inches yung frame niya, kaya 27. So there's really no big difference sa kanilang dalawa. And the thing is, yung 27 inches is hindi pa siya M1 chip. Ito is M1 chip na siya, and the chip was made by the Apple mismo. Yung before, kaya mas mahal siya, yung dating iMac kung nakikita niyo somewhere sa mga offices or sa movie na nakikita niyo. Or if you have one, yung yung processor niya, yung chip processor niya is binili pa nila sa ibang company. So that's why it adapts the price. But this time, gawa mismo ng Apple yung chip nila, kaya medyo almost the same price but really big help kung nagbawas sila ng price. Yeah, and one more thing is, ito siya, they don't have the Apple icon in the front. In the, yung logo ng Apple na may kagat. Doon wala ito sa front. Most likely, may sticker naman sa likod. Ito, this is the back of the screen already. Ito yung power button niya, and then meron siyang 4 charging port na pwede mong gamitin. And this must be the fastest operating system computer in this world right now. Charot. Exaggerated, pero parang yun na nga, siya yung fastest operating system, and it's good for video and photo editing kasi hindi siya lag. So let's go na, i-open na natin. Can't wait to open it. But actually, to be honest, in-open ko na siya kasi I wanna know if may sira, may basag ba, or parang ganito, para mas masauli natin kung kung ano man. Pero I'm paying for the Apple Care, so it doesn't matter. Pwede natin ibalik. But yes, let's go. Actually, naka-sealed pa siya kanina kasi tinanggal ko lang yung tape. So, ito siya. Ba natin, lagay muna natin dito, guys. Yeah, so it comes with the Bluetooth keyboard. Of course, the mouse. Ayan nga yung manual. And then the charger. And then meron silang extra cord, Type-C cord kasi nga ano to, charger ng wireless keyboard. Kasi Bluetooth yung keyboard eh. And then other wire para sa charger. And yeah. So let's take this out. And mouse. Medyo bigat yung mouse. I'm used to use my na Apple mouse pero napaka-light. Ang gandang gamitin pag nag-edit. Pero this one, subukan natin how's the performance. Subukan natin ito. Ayan. But the thing is, wala siyang free mouse pad. Kailangan mong bilhin yung mouse pad. Siguro nasa mga $100, parang ganun, mahigit. Pero, next Sabado na lang. Yeah, it's okay. I still have my Mickey Mouse pad. So, literally, mouse pad. Kasi si Mickey Mouse pad. So, ito naman ang gagamitin natin. And, set up na natin siya. Ayan. Hello! Ayan, hello daw. So, ooh. And ito palang charger, guys, is, it's a magnet. So, magnetic, na siya. Magnetic source na siya. Okay, there we go. And, oh, look! Are you ready for this? Fate talaga namin ni Mickey Mouse kasi tingnan nyo. Fate talaga namin may Mickey Mouse sign pa dito sa charger. Kasi nga yung port niya, shape ng Mickey Mouse head. O diba, Mickey Mouse? Soulmate talaga kami ni Mickey Mouse. Charot, nagkataon lang talaga na ganun yung shape. Maganda talaga yung mga stickers kasi baka ma-scratch. Siyempre. Yan. So may 4 na port siya sa likod na, pero Type-C. Type-C port. Ayan. So, ayun na nga, na-set up na natin yung ating computer kasi hindi ko na nirecord yung setup moment kasi nga medyo matagal-tagal pa. So, ayan, na-set up ko na, na-transfer ko na yung mga folders from my iMac, MacBook Air, and yung laptop ko. Tapos, ano lang talaga siya, i-open mo lang yung iCloud mo and then all the nandun sa iCloud mo is ta-transfer lang dito identically. So, yung mga folders is, kung nakikita niyo yung mga folders dyan, yan. Mga folders dito is airdrop lang para copy talaga. Identically copied lang talaga siya from my MacBook Air to this iMac. So, ayan na. As you can see, BTS. Army din ako, guys. Ayan, Army din ako. Pero parang kakapasok ko lang ng, medyo hindi pa siya fully licensed army ng BTS. So, ayun na nga. Ito na yung sinasabi ko, guys. This is what I'm telling you. Wala siyang logo dito, diba? At dahil may libreng sticker yung ating Mac. So, lagay natin ng sticker. Tadang! Diba? So, may logo na tayo. Ayan, may logo na. During the settings naman, follow nyo lang yung mga instruction and wag nyo kalimutan syempre yung Apple ID nyo. Up to you if gagawa kayo ng different Apple ID, each Apple gadget nyo. Pero ako, I used the same Apple ID from my phone to my iPad, to my computer, and to my laptop, at saka dito sa iMac. So, isang Apple ID lang talaga siya. Don't forget your password kasi yun talagang pinaka-importante kasi I lost my other iCloud account before and then nandun lahat yung mga memories, mga pictures, files, and everything like that. Buti na lang kamo is na nalagay ko siya sa external memory. So, thanks to the external memory, who invented the external memory, maraming salamat. Pero some of the things, unfortunately, hindi ko na sila na-retrieve. So, it's okay. Move on. Forget the past. Let's go to the future. Charot. So, ayan na guys. That's all for today's video. And I hope sa mga gustong magka-iMac dyan, I suggest you need to get this one. Ililink ko sa baba yung link niya sa Apple mismo. Kasi sa Apple ko mismo siya kinuha eh. Hindi siya, there's no big difference from Best Buy. But Best Buy medyo may kamahalan sa Best Buy. Sa Apple Store kasi is meron na siya talagang Apple Care. Kahit na mabasag to, papalitan nila like fully renewed talaga, as in very new talaga, so papalitan nila. And yeah, I will link the website below in my description, and I guess that's it. So, thank you so much guys at sana na-inspired ko kayo, and thank God, let's not forget to thank God for the blessings that we're getting every now and then in our lives. Alam nyo, ciao. So, ayan guys, thank you so much for watching, and for those who are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on top, and press all, syempre. And then, see you in my next video. Peace out. Ciao.